Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset Roku TV with remote. Open settings. System. Advanced system settings. Factory reset. Enter code. You can also reset the cache. Press the home button 5 times. Up, rewind 2 times, fast forward 2 times. The TV cache will be reset. That's it. Now you know how to reset Roku TV with remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.